Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and moving on to more security. We did have a video about how Microsoft is about to change the way that it will push some drivers through Windows Update, and this is something that also will affect legacy drivers. That's older drivers that could still be appearing within the Windows updates, but that will eventually just disappear now. So if you have some old drivers that could appear here when you were installing devices, old devices particularly, or a device that has several types of drivers, and sometimes it happens we'd like to have a specific driver for a specific reason. The drivers, the legacy drivers or older drivers, will not be offered anymore through Windows updates. So what Microsoft says is, first, it's for security purposes. Once past a certain amount of time, drivers could become insecure, or even if they're fine, well, it's time to maybe remove them and move on. And so what's going to happen with that is that you still can go and get these drivers by yourself, and if you wish to. And if you do not wish to, then if, for example, you'd still like to have the Windows Update drivers, what happens is that if a company has a legacy driver that it still wants to push, it will be able to apply to Microsoft and say, and explain why they want that legacy driver to still be there. But apart from that, it will stick to the latest drivers mostly, in order to just stay safe and keep safe on computers. So that's what we are learning today about the changes in the way Microsoft will push drivers for hardware. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.